Despite of a huge defeat on the match of the UEFA Champions League, the semi-final stage, the game between AC Milan versus International Milan, the AC Milan fans have not tired. They have not tired as they believe that their team is going to the final of the UEFA Champions League. It should be quite clear that AC Milan punished for 2 goals. AC Milan punished by 2 goals, and of course they are just now thinking about the next match of the second leg in this stage, as here is the number of many fans of the AC Milan and of course the International Milan. They have been celebrating and they have been here gathering together, of course, waiting for the team's performance. It should be also quite. This is just San Siro Stadium, one among of the greatest stadium in Italy. San Siro Stadium is just one among of the greatest stadium in the world, and it of course carries a big number of fans. As this is the number of the AC Milan fans. They are here outside the San Siro Stadium waiting for the big match. They are waiting for that big match. As in fact, the only thing that they want is to see their club goes to is going to the final of the UEFA Champions League. In fact, but things went contrary. Things went differently as they received the